as it stands, we have a pretty significant... Ryan, what's up? Yo, Ryan. Ryan, give me a dog biscuit. Yeah, too bad I never figured out how to put chat onto the website so that you can chat right from the website. If you get that Zello, Z-E-L-L-O app, it's free. It's a walkie-talkie app. I could talk that way. But the only reason why I use that Zello is, like, let's say I don't have enough bandwidth or connection to stream, you could still use Zello and be able to hear what's going on. I can kind of give a description. Like, tornado on the ground. But currently, this is the first cell. Hey Ryan, what you need to do is go onto my website or go to Facebook and like my page, my storm chasing page. It's Tornado Belay Storm Chasing is the name of the page. Like the page because I update that kind of like, you know, regularly with what's going on. Right now I'm currently sitting right at the perfect spot for the first severe warned cell, but right now it's just not looking like there's much happening with it. There he is. I love it. Come on, Ryan. Too bad it doesn't say anything. Or, wait, maybe I have it too low. Oh, he doesn't. That would be hysterical. Come on, Ryan. Well, so far the Hailmobile's done well. No radiator leaks. Well, I mean a little bit, and I had to retighten or tighten the clamp a little bit more. And then I put some additive into it to help maybe